dear students. So welcome to our new lecture. In this particular lecture, we are going to see the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to q. Okay. So as we are learning chapter number 5, that is expansion formula. In our previous lectures, we have studied about the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to square, a minus b bracket raised to square, and a square minus b square. This was the prerequisite, and then we have seen an expansion of the form x plus a into x plus b. Okay, now we are going to see another type of expansion where the binomial is very simple, where the numbers or the binomial may be very simple. Okay, and the operator between the term is going to be positive sign or plus addition. Okay, but in this particular type of expansion, what we can see that the maximum power is going to be 3. In our previous examples, we have seen the maximum power of the equation was 2, but from now onwards we will be saying the maximum power of the equation is going to be 3. Okay, so let us start then. How we can expand the following? So we want to expand a plus b bracket raised to q. Now I can write this as a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Okay, as the power is 3, I can take down the term 3 times and multiplication sign in between the terms. Okay, now I will keep the first term, that is a plus b, as it is, and a plus b into a plus b. What is it? It is nothing but a plus b bracket raised to square. Here the power is 1, again here the power is 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and we get a plus b bracket raised to 2. Now we do the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to 2. Okay, we know the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to square. So what is the expansion of this particular term? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we have studied this particular expansion in our previous lecture. Now what I will do, I will multiply the first term of the first bracket to the entire second bracket and the second term of the first bracket to the entire second bracket. That means we are going to do a multiplication to simplify the above equation. So a into the complete bracket, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, now plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now let us perform a multiplication. A into a square, take this a cube, plus a into 2ab, that is going to be 2a square b. Okay, plus a into b square, it is ab square, plus b into a square, it is a square b, plus b into 2ab, it is nothing but 2ab square, and b into b square is nothing but b cube. Okay, now this is simple multiplication. We have seen the multiplication of variables in our chapter number 3, that is indices and cube roots. Okay, in that particular chapter we have seen the multiplication of this numbers in the form of AB. Okay, that is laws of indices. So we have used the basic principle of law of indices in this particular step. Now we have got a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to simplify it. So I will keep a cube as it is, as there is no other term having the power 3 and variable a. Okay, plus now 2a square b and a square b. So 2a square b plus a square b is going to be 3a square b. Okay, then plus ab square plus 2ab square, it is going to be 3ab square, okay, and b cube as it is. So we got the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and this is the general formula of such type of expansion. Okay, we have to keep this formula in mind. Okay, we have to learn this particular formula so that we can solve the expansion questions, okay, of this type. Okay, if you want to expand any term which is of this particular type, a plus b bracket raised to cube, okay, so we can solve it using this particular expansion formula. Okay, so let us see some questions from the practice set 5.2. okay, so the first question in the practice set 5.2 is we have to expand k plus 4 raised to 3 or raised to cube. Okay, so to expand this particular term we are going to use the general formula. So we can write first k plus 4 raised to 3 is equal to, now we are going to use the general formula, that is a plus b bracket raised to cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Now I will consider k as my a and 4 as my b. Okay, so I am taking k as a and 4 as b. Okay, in that case I can write k plus 4 raised to 3 equal to k raised to 3 plus 3 k square into 4 plus 3 into k into 4 square plus 4 cube. What I have considered, I have taken k as a and 4 as b. मैंने क्या यहाँ पे कंसिडर किया हूँ, मैंने k को a कंसिडर किया हूँ और 4 को मैंने b कंसिडर किया हूँ. ओके, सो ये मेरा a है और ये मेरा b है, 4 क्या है मेरा b है, तो a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट रेज़ टू क्यूब का फॉर्मूला क्या है, a क्यूब है, तो मेरा k क्यूब यहाँ पे लिखा मैंने. ओके, k क्यूब, उसके बाद 3a स्क्वायर, तो k स्क्वायर, b है तो यहाँ पे इंटू 4 लिया मैंने. ओके, प्लस 3kb स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पे 3kb स्क्वायर. ओके, प्लस 4 क्यूब, क्योंकि मैंने b मेरा यहाँ पे 4 है तो मैंने यहाँ पे 4 क्यूब लिखा. ओके, और यहाँ पे हम लोग ने अप्लाई क्या किया, ये ऊपर वाला फॉर्मूला. ओके, so we have to keep this in mind that whenever we are solving a expansion of any number, if you want to find the expansion of any number and whatever formula we are using, we have to use it precisely. Okay, and if you want you can write down the reason, okay, here over here where you will note down the formula. Okay, this above formula. Now we have got k plus 4 raised to 3 equal to k cube plus 3k square into 4 plus 3k 4 square plus 4 cube. So we will simplify it. So k cube plus 3 into 4 is nothing but 12, so 12k square plus 3 into 4 square, 4 square is 16 and 16 3s are 48. So 48k plus 4 cube is nothing but 64. So we get the answer k plus 4 raised to 3 equal to k cube plus 12k square plus 48k plus 64. Okay, this is the required expansion of k plus 4 raised to 3. Okay, let us see the another question. Now the term is 7x plus 8y raised to 3. Okay, so we have to expand this particular binomial. Now for this again we are going to use the simple general formula that we have derived previously. So I can write 7x plus 8y cube is equal to. Now I am going to consider 7x as my a and 8y as my b. ओके, सो 7x क्या है मेरा यहाँ पे a है और 8y क्या है मेरा यहाँ पे b है. सो जो भी ये जो फॉर्मूला है, इस फॉर्मूला में हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, a की जगह पे हम लोग 7x लिखेंगे और b की जगह पे हम लोग 8y लिखेंगे. जस्ट सिंपल टेक्निक इज देयर. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट replace the term, okay, in the formula. This is the basic and very simple step that we all have to perform for finding expansion of any term. Okay, so 7x, so I will write 7x cube. Okay, a cube पे जगह पे मैंने क्या लिखा, 7x cube लिखा plus 3. okay, square है यहाँ पे, no problem. अब यहाँ पे a है तो a क्या है मेरा 7x, so again 7x स्क्वायर. ओके, 7x जो कंप्लीट टर्म है वो उसके ऊपर हमें पावर लेना है, क्योंकि हमारा a क्या है 7x, तो 7x ब्रैकेट रेज टू क्यूब आएगा प्लस 3 इंटू 7x ब्रैकेट रेज टू स्क्वायर आएगा इंटू b हमारा क्या है 8y है, सो 8y. ओके, देन प्लस 3 एज इट इज. ओके, स्क्वायर आ गया यहाँ पे, a क्या है हमारा, सॉरी 3 as it is. now a क्या है हमारा यहाँ पे 7x, तो 7x ले लिया हम लोगों ने इनटू, अब b क्या है हमारे यहाँ पे 8y, तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे 8y लिया. ओके, प्लस अगेन 8y रेज टू 3. Okay, now we have got 7x bracket raised to cube plus 3 into 7x square bracket raised to 7x bracket raised to square into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8y square plus 8y raised to cube. Okay, so we are going to simplify it. Now what is the 7 cube? 7 cube is 343 and this is x cube. Okay, plus 3 into, what is 7 square, it is 49 into x square, okay, into 8y. Okay, then plus 3 into 7 is nothing but 21x. What is 8 square, it is 64 and again y square. Okay, plus what is 8 cube, it is 512 and this is y cube. Okay, so now here it is important that you must know the cubes of at least 1 to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10 numbers you must know the cube of those numbers. Now 7 cube is 343, okay, and 8 cube is 512. Now let us simplify it. So let us see now. We can write 343x cube as it is plus, now 3 into 49 into 8, so 3 8s are 24 and 24 into 49. Okay, so what is 24 into 49, 9 4s are 36, 6 3 carry upside, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21, 2 16, 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry upside, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Okay, 6, 1 plus 6 is 7 and 9, 2 plus 9 is 11. So we got 1176 x square y. Okay, then the another term, that is 21 into 64. So let us see what is 21 into 64. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. We got 4, 8 plus 6 is about 14, 1 carry upside, 3 and 1 3 4 4. So 1 3 4 4 x y square. Okay, plus 5 12 y cube. So what is the expansion of 7x plus 8y raised to 3? The expansion is 343x square, sorry 343x cube plus 1176x square y plus 1344xy square plus 512y cube. Okay, so this is the expansion. for 7x plus 8y raised to cube. Okay, let us see the another sub question. So I will take sub question 4, that is 52 raised to 3. So we have to find the cube of 52. Now we learn the cube from 1 to 10. Okay, hardly you will see anyone who is going to learn the cube of 52. So how to find the cube of 52? I have seen that during the online classes, lot of students are using the calculator and directly writing down the answer. But the correct method is to apply the formula and find the answer. Okay? At least whenever you are solving this particular question in your notebook and in terms of academics. So, we want to find the cube of 52. So, how we can find it? I can write 52 raised to 3 equal to. Now, 52 is nothing but 50 plus 2, correct? What is 52? It is nothing but 50 plus 2 raised to 3. Now we have got the term as 50 plus 2 bracket raised to 3. Okay, so now I am going to take 50 as my A and 2 as my B. Okay, then by applying the formula we can write 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square plus 2 cube. Okay, so we have applied the formula and we have written down this step. What is 50 cube? So 5 cube is, what is 5 cube? 5 cube is 125. So 50 cube is 125 000. Okay, then plus 3 into 50 square into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. And what is 50 square? It is 2500. So 2500 into 6. So what it will be? 2500 into 6 plus 3 into 50 is 150 and 150 into 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. So 150 into 4 is nothing but 600 plus 2 cube is 8. So we got 125 00 and 110, that is 125 000 plus 2500 into 6. It is 1000, sorry, it is 15,000. Okay, plus 600 plus 8. Now we will add all the numbers. So 1,25,000 plus 15,000 plus 600 plus 8. So 1,25,000 plus 15,000 is 1,40,000 plus 600 is 1,40,000 and 600 and plus 8. So 1,40,608. This is the required answer for 52 cube. So what is the cube of 52? It is 1,40,608. Okay. So this is the required solution for 52 raised to 3. Okay, let us see one more question. The sub question 8, okay, where the binomial is 5x upon y plus y upon 5x raised to 3. Okay, so in this particular binomial, I am going to take 5x upon y as my A and y upon 5x as my B. Okay, so 5x upon y क्या होगा मेरा A होगा और y upon 5x क्या होगा मेरा B होगा. Use this simple logic to solve each and every expansion of the form of a plus b bracket raised to 3. Okay, though the equation might seem difficult, okay, by looking into it, but it is not actually difficult. What we have to do, we have to apply the basic logic. Okay, we should know what is a and what is b, and then we have to replace the value of a and b in the above general formula. Okay, this is the simple logic that we have to apply for solving such questions. So 5x upon y plus y upon 5x raised to 3 equal to, now a is my 5x upon y, so a क्यूब की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा 5x अपॉन y रेज टू 3 प्लस 3 इंटू ए की जगह पे क्या आएगा 5x अपॉन y स्क्वायर इंटू बी की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा y अपॉन 5x, ओके, देन प्लस 3 इंटू ए की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा 5x अपॉन y इंटू बी की जगह पे क्या आने वाला है y अपॉन 5x स्क्वायर प्लस बी क्यूब है तो y अपॉन 5x cube, okay. After putting the values of a and b in the formula, we can easily apply simple mathematics and we can get the answer. So 5x upon y raised to 3 है, okay. We have studied about this particular formula, that is a upon b raised to m is nothing but a raised to m upon b raised to m in our chapter number 3, okay, indices and cube root. So we have studied this particular law of indices, so we are going to apply it over here. So 5x upon y raised to 3 is there, so I can write 125, that is the cube of 5, into x cube upon y cube plus 3 into, what is the square of 5? It is 25, so 25x square upon y square into y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y into y square upon 25x square plus y cube upon 125x cube, okay. Now we will simplify it further. So this x and 1x from here get cancelled, this y and 1y from here get cancelled, and this x and 1x from here get cancelled, this y and 1y from here get cancelled, okay. So we got 125x cube upon y cube plus, now 3 into 25, what is 3 into 25? Before going to that, let us do this. 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25, so 3 5s are 15, so 15 1x which is left upon 1y which is left, okay. So we got 15x upon y, okay, then plus again 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25, so we got 3y upon 5x, okay, plus y cube upon 125x cube, okay. So the expansion of 5x upon y plus y upon 5x raised to 3 is 125x cube upon y cube plus 15x upon y plus 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125x cube. So this is the required solution for this particular question. Now in this particular lecture we have solved 4 examples of practice set 5.2. In all there are 8 questions in the practice set, out of which I have solved 4, and I think these 4 examples are enough. Okay, rest of the examples of the practice set is going to be your homework. Along with the homework, you have to also write down this particular solved examples of this lecture in your notebook. Okay, now please go through the lecture carefully and don't skip any part of the lecture. As you skip any of the part from the lecture, you are not going to solve the expansion question easily. Okay, it will create a lot of problem while solving such questions. So do not skip any part of the lecture. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to see another form of the expansion, that is a minus b bracket raised to q. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.